Hello, scientists. It's time for another episode of Miss LaConte's Science Corner. And today we're going to try a whole new experiment using materials that you can find at home. So this experiment I've actually never done before. So as you know, every time I try a new experiment, I'm just going to hope for the best. And if it doesn't work 100% the first time, we'll just keep trying. The first thing you will need today is just a clear bucket of water, about halfway filled up. Then I'm going to take something that you probably have in your kitchen. This is just black pepper that you use to season your food. And I'm going to move a little bit closer to you so you can see. I'm going to take my pepper and just sprinkle it right on the surface. Don't hold back, you definitely want a lot. Just like that. Okay? So at this time, you can probably see my pepper is arranged on the surface of the water just like this. Is the pepper floating or sinking right now? Excellent. The pepper is floating. Let's put you back here. Okay. Next, we need a plate, a toothpick, and just some normal dish soap. Now you do not need a lot of dish soap. I'm just going to take my bottle here and put a small dot right on the plate. Ooh, bubbles. Put the cap back on. Ooh, love those bubbles. Then I'm going to take my toothpick and just dip it into the soap like that so that there's just a bit of soap on the end of the toothpick. Okay? Next, what do you think will happen when I dip my soap with the toothpick into the water on the surface of the pepper? Okay, let's see if your predictions come true. Ready? Whoop. All right, we're going right into the middle of the pepper. What did you notice? What happened? What could explain that? I noticed that as soon as I touched my dish soap into the surface of the water, the pepper seemed to move all the way to the ends of the bowl. There's a concept in science that really helps explain what's going on here. And that concept is called surface tension. Surface tension means a force on the surface of a liquid that makes it stronger. And water is known for having a really strong surface tension because water molecules really like to stick or pull together. Surface tension explains why the pepper was able to float on the water. And as you can see in my drawing here, it also explains why, you might have seen this in the summertime, many bugs are actually able to skip across the surface of lakes and ponds. It's because of that surface tension. What do you think the soap did to the surface tension of this water? So my soap was responsible for breaking up the surface tension of the water. As soon as the soap went into the water, it made that surface tension a lot less strong and allowed the pepper to actually move to the sides. You can actually try this experiment at home and maybe try changing around some of the ingredients. See what differences you notice. What if you use salt? What if you add food coloring to the water? What if you try different types of dish soap, different types of hand soap, or maybe even different types of shampoo? Definitely let me know in the comments if you tried this experiment at home. And make sure, 3rd and 4th graders, make sure you submit your science assignment on your classroom teacher's website by the end of the day on Friday. Talk to you soon, scientists. Bye now.